Subject Science, Class 4th, Lesson Plants Living and Surviving, Module 1. Hello everyone. In this lesson, we will learn how plants grow, live and survive. Students, as you all know that plants grow in different kinds of environments such as cold, mountains, deserts and ponds. But the environment in which a plant grows and commonly found is called its natural habitat. Students, do you know the various plant habitats can be broadly divided into two types: terrestrial habitat and aquatic habitat. Now, first of all, I'll tell you about terrestrial habitat. The plants that grow on land habitats such as plains, cold and snowy mountains, marshy lands and deserts are called terrestrial plants. But the plants found in aquatic habitats such as ponds, lakes, rivers and seas are called aquatic plants. Now I will tell you something about adaptation. All plants have features which help them to survive and reproduce in the places where they live is called adaptation. On the other hand, we can say that the changes that make plants suited to their environments are called adaptations. Students, as you all know that deserts are extremely hot and dry for a plant to grow. On the other hand, it is extremely cold in high mountains for a plant to grow. Plants undergo changes in their structure or behavior to survive in the environment. Now, first of all, I will tell you about terrestrial plants. The plants that grow in plains. The climate in the plains can range from very hot to very cold. Plants that grow in the plains have many branches and lush green crowns. Peepal, banyan, mango, neem and sisam are examples of trees that grow in the plains. The trees in the plains have a large number of thin, lightweight leaves. Students, do you know some trees keep shedding leaves and growing new ones throughout the year, and they stay green round the year, so they are called evergreen trees. But some trees in the plains shed all their leaves once a year, usually during the winter. Such trees are called deciduous trees. These trees grow new leaves in spring. Now I will tell you rainforest plants. Students, as you all know that rainforests are found in hot and wet places where it rains heavily. There are a large number of plants of different shapes and size growing here. The plants compete with one another for sunlight. And one more important thing is that rainforest trees can be very tall because there is so much water. Plants are able to grow very tall. The tallest plants are able to grow up to where there is lots of light. Shorter plants must grow in the shade. Now I tell you about the plants that grow in mountains. Students, as you all know that high mountains become very cold during snowfall, and the mountain trees survive in a very cold conditions. So the trees are straight and tall there. Leaves are small and tough, so not likely to be damaged by snow or hail. They have tough covered seeds that can survive cold. Roots grow deep so it can cope with the strong winds. Trees grow triangular in shape so snow can fall from it. Students, one more important thing is that apple, walnut and almond trees also grow in snowy mountains. These trees have brown crowns, however they shed their leaves in winter. So, in this way, in this module, we learned about the condition in which the plants grow. Thank you.